So recently was looking for a drone. The video is going to be basically of the unboxing of this Mavic 2 Zoom, which is going to be our today's topic. It's just going to be on the unboxing and the setup. So let's get into it and let's check out the packaging first of all. So in terms of the packaging, let me tell you that it says on the front Mavic 2 Zoom. You have the drone over here. On the side you have some information written, just some very basic information which has been explained over here. It just tells you the serial number of the drone and so on, and it talks about a little about the app. On the other side again it has the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom picture. I chose the Mavic 2 Zoom over the Mavic 2 Pro because I wanted the zoom lens in this. So let's go ahead and unbox it first of all. It comes with this seal, so the packaging which you will normally see will be black in color and the shell is usually white, but for some reason I got the one with the white one. The first thing is that you can see that the drone itself is laid out in this sort of shell, and then you have the controller, you have these two boxes, so that's what comes in the box straight away. So let's take out the drone. That is the drone. It's called the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom because of the gimbal. The Pro and the Zoom are more or less the same drones, but with this drone it has a zoom lens which is capable of shooting high quality videos, and that is the real game in this drone. Then we have the controller over here. Now, the first impression of the controller is that you can see the controller's got high. It's both of the drone and the controller is made out of high density plastic. On the left side you have the port which is for the connection to your mobile phone. On the top you have the antennas, and then you have the controllers over here. You have lots of buttons. I'll go through it in a second. On the back you have two buttons again, and on the bottom it's just got this space over here. So this is the controller, and we'll just set it up in a minute. Then you have one box. Let's go ahead and open it up. So that's the extra pair of thumbsticks inside, a connector, so that is the cable. In this box you have the UK plug, the charger. So this portion will connect to the battery. I've heard on YouTube that lots of YouTubers are struggling because the connectors are different every time DJI makes it, and the good thing is that the charger basically comes with an extra cable inbuilt, so you can charge your controller directly from the charger, which is quite good. So by using the micro USB port you can charge your controller. I'm not entirely sure what's in this box. Let's go ahead and have a look at it. I think so these are the props, and you have some leaflets, and that's it. So first of all you have the safety leaflet, another leaflet, and then you have the DJI Care Refresh Plan Quick Start Guide. So these are the things which come, and you have these sets of props. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna open up the prop and I'm gonna show you. So guys, these are a set of props, and both are marked in silver, so they're color coded, so they will go on the silver side of the DJI Mavic. And let me just run you through it quickly just to show you. So on the top we have the intelligent flight battery, and then you have the arms over here, and on the front you have the camera, and that's the gimbal protector. On the bottom you have a lot of sensors. So you have the infrared sensor over here. You have the down-facing camera so that it can do vision positioning, and on the rear you've got sensors for obstacle avoidance. So with this DJI Mavic 2 Zoom you have optical avoidance on front, rear and downwards. I'm not sure if it's got upwards detection or not, but yeah. So this is the drone, and to just start off with setting up the drone, so you have to pull the arms outwards, the arms on the back, which will basically flip like that, and then you have that section. So you have the prop, just to show you that it's color coded, so it's got white. So all you have to do is, if you guys look over here, that there is sort of a notch. So the notch is basically downwards, and that will clip into the drone's motor. Yeah, so it's quite easy. You don't have to like tighten or screw up anything. It's quite easy, and then you can even take it off. It just comes off like that, and you can just plug it back on again where those notches would sit, and that's it. That would fix onto the motor, which has the silver marking on it, and this one doesn't have the silver marking on it, so I'm going to use this on the black motor. So let's go ahead. Okay, so we have our drone set up right now, which is brilliant. That's what we wanted, and that was the basic unboxing. And we got a set of props, so we can just keep them for if they ever break. So we got one extra pack of props. We'll basically take these thumbsticks and we'll literally attach them here, and one on the other side. We have the arms, so the arms pull down over here, and quite interestingly we have the thumbsticks over here as well, and that's an extra pair of thumbsticks which we can use. Let's flip open the antennas. So the antennas are flipped open like that. On the right side you have the power button, on the left side you have return to home, then you have the thumbsticks and the controllers on the sides. So the grip is quite rubbery, so the mobile phone would fit over here. And on the left side you have the lightning connector port. So the first thing is that we need to connect our mobile phone, turn this on and update the software. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi, and let's go and let's do that. You need the DJI app, which is the DJI Go 4 app. Slip this into my connector. So unfortunately you can't, I've noticed that the iPhone 11 you can't use it with the case, so I had to take mine off. So yeah, it's a bit fiddly. I mean, you just need to basically set it up in the first place so that it tucks well, and you just need to push that up. So turning on the controller is very straightforward. All you have to do is press once and then just keep it pressed, the power button, and it should turn on. The first thing you find is that the controller will give you this reading. It'll say it's connecting, and on the top it's showing me as checking firmware. And now let me turn on the drone. You have to press this one and then second time, and then you can hear that DJI specific sound. So right now the controller is being updated, so it's on 11% already, and it says update complete. Now what we'll do is we'll activate the drone. We'll hit activate your Mavic 2. So the gimbal has been aligned. After that, when this is all set up, then you need to go into the app. So if I click go fly, I should have made the screen recording of the phone, but I'll show you over here. If you have a red mark over here, like a triangle, so that means that your drone has to be updated, the software. In my case, it's already been updated, so I don't have to do anything. I don't need to calibrate the compass. That's been calibrated, and I've done the IMU calibration as well. Really don't know what that is, but that needs to be done, right? So this is the controller and this is the drone, and it's all ready. Your screen should display this information. Is helpful to fly the drone. Now I'm not going to go into the app. That video I'm going to make sometime else. This was my unboxing and setup for the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. I'll be posting other videos of its flight. Stay tuned for that. So guys, if you have any questions regarding this drone, just let me know and I'll reply back to you. This concludes my video for the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom drone. I'm just going to make some test videos of it. I'm going to fly it and see how it goes. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching my unboxing for the DJI drone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Catch you in my next video. Bye for now guys.